Let us see how to import and export our data. I have a sample data over here in this particular folder. So yeah, so over here. So this is a CSV file, and this is the data: country, age, salary, and purchased yes or no. So you can see there are some missing values. It's okay. Anyways, we are going to start with some data pre-processing also after few sessions. So it will be easy for you. So right now I want the path of my data. Just go to properties and copy the entire path. Okay, so let's make it as data. Okay, so read.csv. So in double quotes, you will put your path slash data.csv. So you can just, if it is a backslash, so you have to do this twice. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so if it's a backslash, then you have to do it twice over here, just like this. So if you, let's see if this could be breaked. Okay, so let's hit Control Enter. If you can see, I can't break this. So let's hit Control Z. So remember one thing, that whenever you are trying to input your data, it should be, your entire path should be on same line, or else you may end up getting some errors. So here you can see data 10 observations of four variables. So there are different ways or different methods to input your data. Let's do this. Data, let me just call it as data 1. Again, read.csv. Just paste your path slash data.csv. Okay, so instead of backslash twice, you can also put forward slash once. Now let's hit Control Enter. Yes, even this is working fine. Or if you feel like you don't want to put the entire path, which is a very boring stuff, so if you can also change your working directory. Let's do this. So my working directory is in desktop. There's a folder called Emergence R Basics. Just open it. Okay. So click OK over here. You can see all the files which are there in your R Basics folder, and this is your data.csv file. So make sure whenever you go to that particular directory, your file must be there. So right now I am at Emergence R Basics. Now I want to set this path as my working directory. Go to More, set this as your working directory. Now this particular path is my working directory. Let's do this. Set the just get the working directory. Get wd. So it will give me my working directory. So this is it. Let's try to do ls. Let's hit Control Enter. Okay. Ls is a function.